In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello everybody, how are you doing? We'll be doing great with the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name is NA Saqib. I'm your IELTS trainer. Additionally, we're also teaching the students of spoken English for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. My today's lecture would be about the importance of keywords in the academic reading subtest of the IELTS. So let's get started, my dear friends. It's an important strategy to underline or circle the keywords in questions and locating your answers in the text with the help of those keywords. So the keywords can help you read more efficiently, as a matter of fact. And this strategy can be supportive as texts are reasonably long and generally complex. So the texts are long and complex. So this strategy of underlining or circling the keywords can turn out to be a big relief and helpful for you. My dear friends, why reading is considered tough? There are generally two reasons. The first reason is there is a time constraint. The second one, difficulty of the text. With the time, it's 2,700 plus words, which you have got to go through, understand, search the answers of in 3 passages, and each passage contains 900 plus words. So mathematically, there are 2,700 plus words in 3 long, complex passages. So it becomes difficult. There is a time constraint that you have got to do all that stuff in 60 minutes. Reading, understanding questions, locating the answers, and then transferring them onto the answer sheet. So there is a time constraint. Initially, it's not possible with the traditional kind of reading. Then we suggest the speed reading. The techniques of skimming and scanning can be used here. And the second problem is difficulty of the text. These are texts which have been taken either from newspapers, editorials, articles, magazines, journals. So they are normally difficult in language. And the content is difficult and the language used is also difficult. There is also a subsequent difficulty in it, and that is that candidates do not read in the right way. They only focus on keywords and try to find the exact words in the text as in the question. So they try to tell you the keywords of the question with the textual keywords. So this is really a big problem. Actually, the keywords can only help the candidates if they are used correctly. If they are not used correctly and appropriately, these keywords can cause more mistakes. So there is a big problem if these keywords are not used properly. So then they can cause a big problem. This could be fatal if you try and match words in the question with words in the text. So you are trying to match the words, and this is what least desired. What is demanded by the examiner from the candidate is not words but meaning. You should not match words but the meanings or ideas associated with the keywords. So this is an extremely important difference, which is crucial to understand, that students are actually looking forward to matching the words, but these are the meanings which should be matched. So keywords can lead you towards the location of the answer, but not the answer itself. So the keywords can only tell you the location of the answer in the text and do not necessarily tell you what the answer is all about. So effort with the right direction is required. So to get the correct answer in reading, you must do the following. There is a 3 steps strategy, 3 steps agenda which should be followed. Number one, read the whole question for meaning. As I told you that you should try to find out the synonyms or the paraphrasing if necessary with the help of that question in the text. And before you look for the answer in the text, try to understand the question and then underline keywords in the question. And number three, look for keywords in the text and match the meaning. Maybe the keywords in the question are paraphrased in the reading text, or maybe they are replaced by the synonyms. So that's it, my dear friends. Today I wanted to just tell you about the importance of keywords. If the keywords are handled accurately, appropriately, then all the question types and the reading subtests of IELTS would be tackled intelligently. God bless you all. Thank you very much indeed. I'll see you with another video. Until then, bye.